Just a quick video to show you that when I said I've used the remote controlled systems, there's no remote controlled black boxes in some of my devices. Here's another device which I've wired a remote control receiver into. Same thing applies, on, off. I got the power supply, and it goes inside this waterproof box. That's using the 240 volt circuit. That's a 240 volt circuit. Here's another device that I use a 240 volt remote control receiver on. This bulb is 1000 lumens, and I can control it with the remote control. And there's the black box inside a waterproof box, like the extension lead was. And there's the cable there, the little aerial to prove that the remote control receiver is inside. I took this camping one year, and it was good for lighting up the tent, but that was about it. So I had to think of another means of lighting up the campsite. So talking about lighting up a campsite, this is 300,000 lumen LED light, and it also runs with the 240 volt RC receiver, and the remote controls are tucked down here. And I can't turn this one on because this will kill the camera, because it's that powerful. And so the 1000 lumens will kill the camera too. Never show LED lights as bright as this one, or any brighter than 1000 watts. 1000 lumens, sorry. 1000 lumens. If you shine 1000 lumens or more into a camera, it will make the camera go all glitchy. Take it from experience, because I did it with this one.